welcome back to our channel. We are decorating for Christmas today. We are going to be doing some cookies right now. And yeah, we are almost all moved in, but not quite there. So we figured while we're moving, we're just gonna do like a Christmas vlog as one of my Vlogmas days. Here are the girls. You wanna say hi? See yourself? Say hi. What are we doing today?
Making cookies.
We're making cookies?
Yeah.
Cookies? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So should we make the peanut butter? We have a few different kinds. We have peanut butter. We've got chocolate chip and sugar cookies. So I think we're gonna make all of them. Which one should we do first?
This one.
Chocolate chip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We have some Christmas music going. We only have one spatula to work with, but we're gonna work with it. This says we have to heat the oven to 375, so I'm gonna heat it. Okay, ready, girls? This says 1 stick of butter, girls, and 1 egg. Okay?
Mama, can I have you crack the egg?
We can try. So this is what we're gonna do. Mommy's gonna dump this in your bowl. Okay?
I'm not bowl.
Also, it says we need 1 stick of butter softened, and we need 1 egg.
Whoa, so yummy. That's so
I'm gonna
delicious.
soften it, and look at, we have a Christmas tree, and we have a snowman. Hey, to mix this and an egg. 1 egg. Mommy's gonna start to mix this all up. Gonna make sure it's really, really mixed good. You think these are gonna be good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Gonna be like yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Think they're gonna be yellow?
Yeah, okay, so yellow and the egg. Mama, now.
Hold on, Lily.
I'm the map.
So why don't you tell everyone, what's your favorite part about Christmas, Nat?
I like the Christmas about presents.
Presents? Do you know what Christmas is about? Christmas is when Jesus was born.
And Jesus was a baby.
Yeah, he was a baby. Good job.
I'm a baby.
Isn't that cool?
Oh,
All that we have to do is, with this mix, all we have to do is put it on a cookie sheet.
I don't do all of it.
I'm not, just putting some. So you can mix that and you can mix this. There you go. That's a lot now. We're gonna spray the sheet. First batch is done. Put this one in the oven. Let me take these because I do not want you guys, no, I don't want you eating any more because you're gonna get a tummy ache. We should do the sugar cookies so that they're done and cooled off so we can decorate them after. What do you think?
Yeah, decorate them. I decorate them. That's my favorite thing to do.
Is it?
Yeah. Decorate cookies and doing presents.
Okay, we're gonna do the sugar cookies now.
Yay! And then you can decorate them.
Do the sugar cookies. Okay, tell the camera your favorite color.
Hi guys. White, yellow, pink, and purple. Pink.
What's your favorite color, Lily? Nat, what is yours? You have a lot, huh?
Mine is on pink, purple, and yellow, and black.
Wow, that's a lot. That's pretty much every color. You like them all?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like all the colors.
We're gonna put this over that again.
That is so yummy.
It's what? Oh, I need another egg. Don't touch. Let me do the same thing. Get it all mixed up, okay?
Mama, can I make apple? Yay, apple!
So we're pressing this all down. And we'll take the Christmas tree and press it in, and then watch. Now we have a Christmas tree cookie. I don't think they're gonna turn out like the right shape because our dough is not very good. We can do a snowman. A snowman too. You have to squish it in there good. Okay, and pull out. Hey, there's a Christmas tree. And a snowman. Hold on, let me pull it out. See, I don't think our dough is, it's too wet. Our dough is too wet. Let's add some more flour. We'll add some more flour like that.
I'm gonna do like this for shape.
Okay, here's one shape. Okay, good job, let me see. Hey, we're doing good here now. These are coming out a little better, huh? Okay. They might not bake super well, but we'll see how they bake. Okay? We finished the chocolate chip cookies. There's a little bit more batter here to be done. We have our peanut butter batter done, and I'll show you. These are the sugar cookies that we just did. And so the shapes turned out a little funky. And then we have some more sugar cookies in there. And once they're done, we are going to decorate. Right now?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. The chocolate. What do you think of the chocolate chip cookies? Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I think so too.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see you guys back when we're decorating.
Bye. Oh. This is it. So. Uh-oh.
Okay, stop doing it. What? Yep. Oh wait, here I gotta give you one
Maddie.
more cookie to decorate. You could put 3 little dots here for buttons.
Yeah, our cookies are done, so we are decorating them now. Whoa. Lily, you decorating your cookies? Lily?
Huh?
Is that fun? Nat, you decorating yours? Yeah.
I think it's super.
Wow. Yours is crazy.
I'm Lego. Dada, I'm Lego.
Look at Lily, yours is like polka dots.
You don't need the lid, baby. It's okay.
We just put some parchment paper down, and we don't have a kitchen table right now. So this is a arts and crafts table.
You want that?
We're waiting for our kitchen table to be renovated.
Refinished.
Refinished, renovated. Good job, Lily. I didn't know she'd be able to like squeeze the tube because it's kind of hard to squeeze. Good job. You're doing that good. Yeah, do that one now. Lily looks like she put Christmas ornaments on hers. Good job.
But I'm doing mine.
And what's yours? You look like you're making a Santa Claus. And you know what? It looks like you put the little buttons. Look, babe. It looks like she put the buttons on the snowman.
That's what I told her.
Oh.
Lily's doing green and I'm doing white.
Oh, my goodness.
I want to see Santa Claus.
Yeah. You want to say hi, Nat?
Hi! I got seeing you again.
Good seeing you again.
Yeah, awesome.
Addie, your cookie looks really good. See yours, Lily. Look at yours.
Wow, good job. Lick your finger. You can eat it. Yummy.
Mine looks so cool so far.
Does it?
I eat it.
You're eating it?
I eat it.
What? You're eating it too?
I take them.
Tastes good?
Look at fun.
Wow, look at Daddy's.
It's really good.
Can I do that?
Wow.
It's very good so far. But I
Thank
want
you.
these ones. You can do the tiny ones.
Thank you. These are cool icing things, huh? I think I'm gonna fill this whole one in.
Okay.
Mine looks probably the best of all of them.
And debatable.
But you did mine.
Wow, oh, I need sprinkles. Can I have some sprinkles?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna be done decorating cookies for the camera right now, and we'll be back later when we do some, We'll be back later when we do Christmas decorating. Okay. See you later. We are done decorating the cookies. We threw them all out because they were kind of like bricks and not edible at all. We only kept 2 of them. Did you guys have fun decorating the cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
Decorate them.
Decorated them. Yeah? What did you like? Doing the icing or the sprinkles better?
Both.
Both? Lily, did you like decorating cookies?
Yes.
You did? Okay, you guys are supposed to eat your cookies in there. We are gonna start on the tree soon. Okay guys, it's been like a few days since our last vlog. I finally look like I'm kind of living. I don't look like I'm dying anymore. I'm just cooking some dinner and I'm gonna hope that we can finish the tree tonight. So just stay tuned because I'm pretty sure that's what we're gonna try to do tonight. Okay, I finished fluffing the tree and just turned the lights on, and we have like a section right here that they're kind of out, and then this back side of the tree down here is kind of out. So we're just gonna work with it and keep going because I don't have any other lights and I'm not buying a new tree. Okay guys, it's a couple days later. I ended up recruiting my mom in because I have no idea how to do a tree. I just don't know what I'm doing and she does. So let me show you what it's looking like so far and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so far we've got like these little flocked pieces with pine cones. I wanted to say acorns, my gosh. And then these little pieces we got from Joann's. And then I have big bulbs and my mom put these, this ribbon like in and out of the tree. So that's what we have so far. It's not lit up obviously. So when it's all done, I will show you what it's looking like. This is the finished product. So I'll just tell you a little bit about this tree. This is not a flock tree, but we bought all of these little stems from Joann's. So they were flocked, so it kind of made my tree look like a little bit flocked, which is what I was wanting. And then we got these stems as well that are just like white little stems with balls on them. And then I added in, there's a dollar store near me that's called Debbie's Dollar, and I added in these sparkly little leaves. And then I just have silver and sparkly silver bulbs all over the tree. I don't really do any like fun ornaments on this tree, only because I like to do that and something else. This is in the living room, so I like this to just be more like matching to my living room. And then we put this silver ribbon all throughout the tree as well in these little loops. Okay, and then over here, this is just some little garland type stuff that I got from Target last year, and it's a little sparkly. So I just have it at my TV stand. I got this No L sign from Hobby Lobby. It's super cute. I love it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there. Don't mind the bag of brownies. And then I have Dashing Through the Snow and a joy sign, and that picture frame needs to move, but yeah, I don't know if that's all gonna stay there. That's just what I have there for now. I have this little stand that I keep in the corner by my kitchen. I don't know, again, if it's gonna stay here, but since we moved in, this is just what I put here. Got these little flocked trees from the Target dollar section. I think they were like $3, maybe $5, but I think they were only $3 a piece. And then this is a little, like, kind of like a Christmas village. My grandpa got this from my grandma, and he passed away, and my grandma passed it on to me. It's super cute. They just like ice skate on there. So I love this because it's kind of like remind me of my grandpa. Okay, and then on my island, we're about to make pancakes, so don't mind that. But I have this thing that I got from Walmart. I love it. It's just really cute. It has some little Christmas tree in it with some pine cones and bulbs and like some little sparkly details. And then these my mother-in-law got me, and they just kind of match my decor, so I put them here. And then this I have here as well because it matches, and it's the best fall pumpkin candle that I have smelt. I love it. Then in my laundry room, it's a little loud right now, but I have this merry and bright little rug that I put here. I was thinking about putting it out there, but I was just like, it kind of works better here just because I'm not huge with red, so you know, we'll just leave it there for now. Okay, and then in my makeup room, I have my white tree that I was showing you guys before, either on Instagram or a different video. I'm not gonna show you the whole room because it's kind of messy right now. I have Christmas presents everywhere, but I just put some like silvery tinsel type stuff that I got at Target, and all these bulbs I got at Target, the bigger ones, and these, and then these were little gold ones that I got off of Wayfair last year. So yeah, this is just the makeup room. I don't have a ton of Christmas decor, honestly, anywhere. Like, I kind of keep it simple. I do want to get more. My girls want a little Christmas tree in their room. But that's pretty much it for this Vlogmas Day 2 video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.